Well, for the first time in what seems like forever, I'm back outside. The weather is going from extremely crappy to extremely nice. It's actually still February and it's 70 degrees outside. Actually, it's a little bit above 70. So I decided to come outside and make this quick video about something you're probably not thinking about now, and that's water. This is, I just recently emptied this. This is one of the 8 barrels that I have that are pretty much full. You'll see them all around the property. This is full, this is full. That's 55 gallons, that blue one on the end there. And these are a little bit smaller. There's also one up on that hill behind me because it's for the chickens. Why am I talking about water in February? That's a good question, and I have a very simple answer. Last summer and the last couple of summers, we have been in a drought situation, and it has been tough. We have been having to use water that we would normally use for cooking and cleaning and washing for the garden. And I expect this summer is probably not going to be any different. So I'm encouraging you guys to think ahead, find any way you can to save whatever water you can. It has been a rough winter. I mean, ice, snow, sleet, you name it, we've had it. I was about to use this wagon, this is my gorilla cart, to bring some firewood over. I noticed it was full of water. You can see the water line if you look close. So I decided to do a little demonstration and in the process save water. All these bottles, you probably guessed, this water came from inside this cart. Most people would have just dumped this. I think there's like 14 bottles in here. And if you look, there's still water in the bottom. I can probably get another 4 or 5 bottles out there. So this is kind of a reminder of what we can do now to save some money this summer. I mean, everything's going up and the water's going up. We don't get a water bill anymore out here, but still, when you use water from the tap, the spigot, the municipal water, it has chemicals because they have to take out the waste. I mean, it's no secret. And the problem is people are, it's chemicals in the water that is what you're using to water your garden with. So, yeah, I mean, I did it for years. If that's all you have, that's all you have. But if you have the opportunity to use rainwater, and if that rainwater can be, harnessed, those bottles that I showed you, I'll just take those and pour them in my water container and use that this spring. I have made it my business to conserve, gather, harvest as much water as I can. Over on this end, I just took some of this water out yesterday. This was a pickle barrel. I think I paid $30 for this. But you know what I want to tell you? Use what you have. This is 55 gallons. This was full yesterday. I took water out of here. This is still pretty much full. And if you go around the property, you'll see that I have 8 of these. So, with what I have shown you, this is my supposed greenhouse. This is a whole nother story. I will not be buying another one of these. Anyway, back to the water. If you Google your municipality, your city, wherever you get your water from, you'll see, and you'll probably be shocked at how many chemicals are in that water. But again, if you have to use it, you have to use it. But if you can save water now, imagine how much you will be able to save during the summer until you run out, if you run out. This is one of my 3 water troughs. I believe these hold something like, 170 gallons. Yeah, it says approximately 170 gallons. This is full. Just probably get a few more gallons in here. This is actually running over. I mean, this gives you an idea how much water we got. We started to put water in the frugal son-in-law and I. We have a pump, and we can run line pretty much anywhere on the property. And we started putting water in these, and then we stopped. One of the reasons is because we got so much rain and so much snow. And to the people that have said to me since I've been up here, why don't you use this to grow vegetables in, grow food in? I see people do it, no problem with it. But the reality is these are to hold water. And when you fill these with soil and grow your food in them, then you're depriving yourself of 170 gallons for each of these. And you do the math, that's over 500 gallons of water that you are not going to get because you decided to do something else with it. That's your prerogative. So this is the cloth that's supposed to stretch over this, because when you have this much water, you're going to probably attract mosquitoes. And even if you don't attract mosquitoes, then you still may end up with algae. So you should cover these before the weather gets warm so you don't have that problem. Now, I'm showing you the different things that I'm doing. My goal is to save 1,000 gallons so I can go into the spring with 1,000 gallons of water. I'm up to roughly 800, and I don't think I'll have a problem reaching 1,000 because most of the rain, most of the precipitation I get is before the spring. So spring is about 2 weeks away, and when you get to the summer, obviously you're going to have less water. So no, again, I'm not saying go out and spend money and buy barrels, but this is another example. The frugal son-in-law set these out a couple of months ago, and this one is practically running over, the gray one. This is close to being full. This is close to being full. I'll take those lids, take those leaves out first, take those lids, and I'll cover these up. And this is something that you can do. Anything that you have that will hold water, that is accessible, my suggestion is put it close to where your plants are going to be and let it rain. So let it rain, cover them up. I actually have, well, this kind of junky over here, but there's 3 more. So like I said, I have them all over the place. This didn't happen overnight. A lot of these I brought with me. So it's going to take you some time to accumulate these if this is what you decide to do. So I just wanted to make this quick video and show you guys how you can save some money and how you can grow your vegetables with less chemicals, because this is rainwater. Doesn't get any better than that. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Thank you for watching. Please hit the notification button. Please subscribe. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll catch you guys on the next video in a few days. Have a great day.